I'm very pleased to be here today. I'm impressed to see how much Turkish people are now going into the issue about waste-free oceans, to collect everything which is thrown into our waters in Europe. We really are fighting to get cleaner oceans and to get cleaner lakes and rivers. We are opening waste-free ocean now in more and more European countries, and more citizens are getting aware of how important it is that our environmental in general is kept clean and free of all this difficult and dangerous substances. So I'm so happy to see that we are now even out of EU with waste-free ocean, and to see the plastic and the fishermen, the plastic converters and the fishermen now getting together on this voluntary project to get a better environment and to create jobs in local areas in our countries.